Project. I'm replacing all of this. And I'm sure there's a better technique, but so far so good. Yeah, I think I got plenty. If I let go of this, it'll come out. So I gotta keep thinking. Maybe because it's 100 degrees out, other than burning the tips of my fingertips off, it might be too warm for this. Pop right back out. Wow. Seems to be going pretty well. Sealed up pretty good. Working on it. See it. I'm hoping I don't have to take the window out completely, but more than likely, it's probably what's going to have to happen. It's fresh underneath that graphic. Probably going to find out the hard way that I probably should have put some sort of adhesive down. But I don't think it's necessary. If I get everything in the groove, there's a weak spot there, and a weak spot there. I probably could have cut it, but I wanted to keep. Down. Oh, I can tell now that I'm in the shade a little bit how hard that is. Yeah, as long as I make sure that that's all in the groove while it's 100 degrees out today, I don't think I'll ever have any issues with it. The window and that spoiler though, slowly but surely, I'm bringing this baby back to life. It's not too far gone, but the guy who had it before me definitely took a lot of shortcuts. But I love her. She's a good little camper.